So there you heard the union minister extremely tight-lipped about what happened in the CCS meeting, or ensuring that no questions are asked about the security briefings, and making it absolutely clear that he's only going to talk about the launch of the highway, the agricultural changes, and later he pulled out a piece of paper and gave this big breaking news that the caste census is now going to be included in the regular census. Now, this is a demand that had been raised by multiple parties, including MK Stalin's DMK, who had recently reiterated his demand that caste census should be part of caste data should be part of the general census. And now it seems that the government has said that it will be part of the general census, but has also clearly stated that many parties are using the caste census as a way to just do politics. And clearly the union minister here raised a finger at the Congress. Let's listen to what he said.
साथियों, आप सब जानते हैं कि कांग्रेस की सरकारों ने आज तक जाति जनगणना का विरोध किया है। आज़ादी की बाद की सभी जनगणनाओं में जातियों की जनगणना नहीं की गई। 1947 के बाद से अगर देखें हम, वर्ष 2010 में तत्कालीन प्रधानमंत्री दिवंगत डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी ने लोकसभा में आश्वासन दिया था कि जाति जनगणना पर कैबिनेट में विचार किया जाएगा। तत्पश्चात एक मंत्रिमंडल समूह का भी गठन किया गया था, ग्रुप ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स, जिसमें अधिकांश राजनीतिक दलों ने जाति आधारित जनगणना की संस्तुति की थी। इसके बावजूद कांग्रेस की सरकार ने जाति जनगणना के बजाय एक सर्वे कराना ही उचित समझा। उस सर्वे को सभी SECC के नाम से जानते हैं। इस सब के बावजूद कांग्रेस और इंडी गठबंधन के दलों ने जाति जनगणना के विषय को केवल अपने राजनीतिक लाभ के लिए उपयोग किया। जनगणना का विषय संविधान के अनुच्छेद 246 की केंद्रीय सूची की क्रम संख्या 69 पर अंकित है। यह केंद्र का विषय है। हालांकि कई राज्यों ने सर्वे के माध्यम से जातियों की जनगणना की है। जहां कुछ राज्यों ने यह काम सुचारू रूप से संपन्न किया है, वहीं कुछ अन्य राज्यों ने राजनीतिक दृष्टि से और गैर पारदर्शी ढंग से सर्वे किया है। इस प्रकार के सर्वे से समाज में भ्रांति फैली है। इन सभी स्थितियों को ध्यान में रखते हुए और यह सुनिश्चित करते हुए कि हमारा सामाजिक ताना बाना राजनीति के दबाव में न आए, जातियों की गणना एक सर्वे के स्थान पर मूल जनगणना में ही सम्मिलित होनी चाहिए। इससे यह सुनिश्चित होगा कि समाज आर्थिक और सामाजिक दृष्टि से मजबूत होगा और देश की प्रगति भी निर्बाध चलती रहेगी। आज दिनांक 30/4/2025 के दिन प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में राजनीतिक विषयों की कैबिनेट समिति ने यह निर्णय लिया है कि जातियों की गणना को आने वाली जनगणना में सम्मिलित किया जाए। यह इस बात को दर्शाता है कि वर्तमान सरकार देश और समाज के सर्वांगीण हितों और मूल्यों के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है। जैसे कि पहले भी जब समाज के गरीब वर्गों को 10% आरक्षण का प्रावधान किया गया, तब भी समाज के किसी घटक में तनाव उत्पन्न नहीं हुआ था। फ्रेंड्स, आई विल रीड।
So there you heard the union minister clearly stating what happened, what decision was taken in the CCPA. Well, the big decision taken by the Modi government is that the caste census will be included, as he said, transparently in the census, general census, which was unfortunately not conducted in 2021 and is now scheduled to be conducted soon. So the census, which is done after every decade, will include the caste census as well. And the minister here very clearly stated that it will be a transparent activity. He also pointed fingers at the opposition and said that many parties have taken this opportunity of the caste census to play politics. Now, for more on this, let's go across to my colleague Aishwarya Paliwal. Aishwarya, this caste census has been a long-standing demand of many regional parties as well. And there has been pressure in certain areas and certain states on the Congress as well. So, how important or how big is this inclusion?
Well, this is huge because we have seen how one of the major things that the opposition party, specifically the Congress party, over the past many elections, they have been speaking about the fact that there is a caste census that needs to be done. So to be able to blunt what the opposition has been saying, it's a strategic move, a smart move from the government. The CCPA today has decided that when the next census will take place, the census will actually take place in 2026. In that census, there will be a separate column for caste, but there will be no different caste census like the Congress and the opposition parties have been asking for. So in one stroke, the government has given out a clear indication what will happen next time when we see the census taking place. There will be separate columns, and in those columns, the caste census, the enumeration of the caste will be done. There won't be a separate caste census. In a way, trying to blunt what the opposition has been saying. And this is also very, very crucial given the very crucial Bihar elections, because in Bihar, this has been a big thing that the opposition parties, specifically the RLD and the Congress, have been asking for. The government very well will turn around and say that we have taken a call, and with regards to that call, it will be done soon.
Thank you, Aishwarya, for all that update.